Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a one bedroom, one bath manufactured home at lot K-19 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. Let's take a look inside. So right as you come in, you can notice that this house has a lot of light coming from the windows. These are thermal pane windows, meaning that they'll keep the hot air in during the winter and the cold air in during the summer. This is the thermostat here. And here's the kitchen. All of the appliances in this house are brand new, and they come with warranties through the manufacturer. The living room here has a chandelier. This is the brand new refrigerator. Comes with all the packaging inside still. So we'll take a look at the dishwasher here. And I'll have you notice that you've got subway tile here, right behind the sink there. It's a extendable hose in the sink. Got the microwave. Below is the stove oven combination with a little heating rack underneath. There's a lot of cabinetry here. This is where all the warranties are and the spare keys. And behind this door is the furnace. This is responsible for the forced hot air and the central air conditioning in this house. This is the back door right here. You can see that this house comes equipped with outside electric and water. And you've got a great corner lot. This is the bathroom right here. Here's the shower. Got double pie bass doors with 2 seats in there. Now we'll take a look at the bedroom. But before we do, here is the electrical panel. This is just like a regular home, so it's 100 amps. And everything in there is already labeled. And right across from the electrical panel is where you could put your stackable washer and dryer. And this is the bedroom. Got a great view of the neighborhood from that window there. And behind this door right here, you have the water heater. We like to give you guys a door, just makes it a little bit more easily accessible. And here's the closet. And we give you some extra screens as well. This is the Energy Star certification, which shows that this is an energy efficient house. If you're looking to inquire about one of the houses, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you updates on any new houses that we build or list, and it will get you on the path to owning one of these houses. Thank you.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff redevelopment, and it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations. So come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.